see. Oh, that's a nice one.
I got a nice one.
Put it in your bowl. Yes, you did. Watch your step. Hello and welcome to our channel. Oh, very nice. Oh, that one's yucky. Go give us the chickens.
Okay.
Yeah. My name is Crystal, and this is Miranda and my son Jake over there. And we're just outside today. It's the last Sunday of summer. We are picking a bunch of strawberries right now, and then we're gonna head into the garden and harvest a bunch of other stuff. It won't be the last garden harvest, but the last big one probably for the summertime. What'd you get, Jay Bear? That one's ready.
Chickens.
Oh, you did?
Me? Yeah. I got one. Oh, that is a really nice one.
Wow, that looks delicious. Go put it in the bowl.
I'm gonna try some.
I posted a short video the other day of us picking strawberries.
Is that too
No,
butter?
this one's for the chickens. Let me see this one. That one's fine. Yeah, this one can go to the chickens.
Oh, there's a ton.
You don't want to? Okay. This one goes in the bowl. That one goes to the chickens.
Oh, ew. This one, yes?
No, that one's good. Put it in the bowl. We've been getting a decent harvest of strawberries this year, and it's been really nice. I have almost a full gallon-sized bag in our freezer of strawberries. So I've been looking up a couple of different canning recipes to do with the strawberries other than just jam. We'll see what we'll do with them, but we're still getting them fresh, enough to snack on and enough to freeze. Look at all those, huh? Oh, that one wasn't for the chickens. It's just not ripe yet. You want it this color. What color is that?
Red.
Red. You need them red, okay? Alright, I think that we're done. You guys can take this bowl and go over and get started on the ground cherries.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna pick some green beans.
Okay.
Here, these are for the chickens too.
They just like fight it.
Don't drop the beans in them. That's their favorite part.
Mommy gets big beans. Oh, Laverne probably.
They like the beans inside them.
So we can give them the beans?
No, you can give them the whole thing. They'll peck them out.
Okay, I'm going back.
Go give that to the chickens, okay?
But Mommy, look at all these purple morning glories.
Yeah, there's a lot of morning glories. All right, here is the other side of the green beans. So this is our hot pepper bed. I'm not going to be picking all of the things. I'm just going to be picking some of the things. I'm not quite ready to do a big canning session of cowboy candy just yet. And so I just want to pick the things that need to be harvested. So some of the peppers are turning colors. Some of the poblanos are getting on a large side. Same with the jalapenos. So I'm just going to harvest some of the things, and then as far as the jalapenos go, most likely I will end up dicing them up in the size I want for the cowboy candy and just end up freezing them. And then when it comes time to do that canning, I'll just dump the frozen bags into the pot. These are kind of the normal sized jalapenos that we get. It's just the typical regular jalapeno seed, not jumbo. But apparently I missed one. This thing is huge, and it's got all those stretch marks on the outside that are hard and scabby. But look at the difference. So different. It's crazy. Wonder what it looks like when I cut into it. It's pretty cool. Oh man, apparently there were a few that I missed. I have here an August Ambrosia watermelon, and it's gotten pretty large. I think it might be time to pick it. It's got a really nice hollow sound. The closest tendrils have all dried up and everything, so I'm pretty sure it's ready to be harvested. All I'm gonna do is cut all the way up here. And there we go. I can't see because the sun is so bright. But there we have it. It feels really heavy. So I'm gonna weigh it too in a little bit and see how much it weighs. But I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator so that we can have cold watermelon. This other watermelon, this Crimson Sweet I have over here, isn't ready to be harvested. The tendril that's next to it is still green, and all the leaves around it are still green, except for the one I just broke. That's fun. It's not supposed to be on a trellis, but that's how it ended up. It's still growing, so we're gonna leave that one on there for now. I just saw that we have a tiny sugar baby watermelon. Seems a little overdue. It's really small, but we can still eat it, I'm sure. Otherwise, if we cut into it and it's yucky or something, we just give it to the chickens. They love them. Over here is where we have our ground cherries and our winter squash and some tomatoes growing. This is a Crimson Sprinter tomato. This plant has completely died. It is no longer growing and all the leaves turned yellow and brown and it's just not producing anymore. I'm just leaving it up here and letting the tomatoes ripen on it. And lastly, we have our sweet pepper bed. I'm just gonna be harvesting a bunch of different kinds of bell peppers. I think I see a pimento pepper in there that's ready. This is a sunbright pepper. I really like these a lot and they're so sweet. I love all bell peppers, but the yellow and orange ones are always my favorite. These are the first year I'm growing my own and they're so good. Here's what I believe to be the last large summer harvest of the 2021 gardening season. I have a basket here full of peppers and tomatoes. The whole bottom layer is all Roma tomatoes, and then there's a whole bunch of slicer tomatoes. I have a bunch of cherry tomatoes in here too. These are Sunrise Bumblebee, black cherry tomatoes, and then there's Geranium Kiss, some Tiny Tim tomatoes also, those are in there somewhere. The other tomatoes, I have Cherokee Purple, a Vintage Wine, more Cherokee Purple, and then these are the tomatoes from that tomato sucker plant I grew this year. These look wonderful. They're huge. I'm gonna bring them in and weigh them. If you're curious on the weight of these tomatoes, I'll be posting that in the short video this week at some point. What else do we got? A mixture of bushing and pole green beans and some more purple potted pole beans. I got a very small sugar baby watermelon, and then I got a very, very large August ambrosia watermelon. I'm so excited to try that. I don't even know where I'm gonna fit that in our refrigerator, but I will for sure make space. And then I also have a bowl of ground cherries and strawberries. The kids help me pick those. They do such a great job helping me with the ground cherries. They love climbing in there and grabbing them, so it's a big help for me. And then some more strawberries. And then this is all from our hot pepper bed. I have poblanos, jalapenos, and pepperoncini peppers. The sweet peppers are in this basket. I have some Sunbright, then some either California Wonder or Grand Bell. I can't remember. And then I have a bullnose pimento. I got quite a bit of these today. These are the Leja peppers. So pretty cool. I'm really excited. It's kind of getting pretty intense with the canning, all the canning. But it's worth it. It is for sure worth it. Look at this thing. How cool is that? Oh man, I'm so excited. I've never had that variety before. Last year I had sugar baby watermelons. It wouldn't have even mattered the variety. We grew it here, so it was just the best tasting watermelon in the world, and nobody was gonna tell me different. The day that this video will post, I think, is the first day of fall. I definitely have way more harvests coming out of this garden. Definitely, this is the last large one of summertime. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. We super appreciate it. It helps us out so much. All right, well, now that I got something in my eye at the very end of the video. I don't know what it is. Okay, so that'll do it for this harvest video. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you, and we will see you next time. Bye.